It's walking in. On the left side, this is the bathroom. Okay, very nice. On the right side, we have the first bedroom that looks directly to the outside, the common area. I think this is a good side bedroom. And then on the left side here, we will have our small living room area that looks directly to the backyard. That's a bed, and that is a good kitchen. On this side, we can place a dining table here. This is a quad. Okay, so it's come with standard. Also standard. On this side, we also have washer and dryer locations, access to the panel. On this side, I'm not sure where it is. Oh, the furnish. This furnish is heating for the whole apartment, the whole condos. Okay, and next is we open the door to the garage. So this is two garage car that potentially we will have a charger for the Tesla, and what else? Alright, that's a water connect right there that directly look into the outside. We open the garage door. Alright, pretty cool. Oh, this one I'm gonna set up the tankless heater here. It's connect to the whole house. Okay, from the garage we walk in. Okay. Oh, sorry. And on this side, okay, on the right side, like you guys see, this is dryer and washer. Again, that the stove, microwave, dishwasher. This is gonna be the fridge. And on the right side, we will have, okay, this might be the coffee and so on. This is gonna be the master bedroom. So, as you guys will see, this is master bedroom that we walk in. That's gonna be the walk-in closet and double vanities. Closet. On the left side gonna be shower. Okay. And voila, that should be it. And we have a double door panel here that will look right through outside in the backyard. We would think about a lot of idea of how to convert into the living space that we like, the outdoor living space. And on this window, we can have a door right there and walk to the garage on the other side. And that should be it.